Nice.
Oh. Whoa. I got it.
Club on it, just put the club on it. Don't even think about it.
Is it coming around?
No. I didn't even hit a fucking driver right now. Hey Kyle, me and you left.
No. Fuck. Whoa.
Straight as an arrow. Shit.
Yep. 4.
See? On camera,
I'd wait if I would have put it on the fucking
Green. Just fucking hammered it. Are you fucking kidding me? 9.
Oh!
Get that camera out of here.
I know, it fucks everything up. You hit a tree.
I'm not practicing.
I got that whole one, including where it went, Yari.
You hit a foot behind it, yeah.
And that's where he hit.